Another thing that I believe that we need to sow a seed. We need to sow a seed as a Christian. We are not supposed to be a waster of seed. God gives us seed or gave us seed for us to plant or to sow it. Not to waste the what? The seed of God. Every seed that God has given unto you is God's glory in our lives. Am I right? It's the glory of the Lord upon our lives. So we are not meant to waste the seed of God. The seed is supposed to multiply. He said it gives, he says, seed to the sower and what and bread to the world and to the eater. Seed is supposed to multiply. Supposed to multiply joy in your life. We should not be a waster of seed. Don't waste the seed that God has given unto you. When I say seed, I mean the gift of the Lord, the talent of God in your life. Don't waste it. Very, very important. We remember that man in the book of Matthew chapter 25, that he gave them talent. 5, 2, 1. And the one that was given one went on to what? To hide the talent. We are not supposed to hide our seed. We are not supposed to hide our gift. All these things will bring joy unto us. And also multiplying joy unto us. You know, it's not a one joy, it's not a two joy, as many that you can get, as far that you are planting the seed that God has given to you. Remember that he told Isaac that don't leave that land. And the Bible made us to know that Isaac sowed in the land. And at the end of the day, he made what? He made 100-fold at the end of it all. We should not be a waster of seed. Let's sow our seed. Let's make use of our seed.